This is a no-solution equation. The absolute value of x plus 1 less than -5. So what you would do is you would separate into two equations, and since you change this into a negative, if it goes to positive, and you switch the sign, so then you subtract 1, you get x less than -6, subtract 1, x greater than 4. So then you get this equation right here. Now since there's no x value that is less than -6 but greater than 4, you get no solution. This is an equation that has all solutions. Absolute value of x minus 10 greater than -53. So what you do is you split it into two different equations. So you get x minus 10 greater than -53, or x minus 10 less than a -53. So then you should add 10, x greater than -43, add 10, x less than 63, and since there are values that are greater than -43 and less than 63, this works for all values. This is a solution different from A and B because it's equal to a linear expression. Absolute value of x minus 5 equals x minus 3. Split into two equations, x minus 5 equals x minus 3, x minus 5 equals negative x minus 3. So then you would subtract the 5, and then you would bring the x over, so then you get 0, or you add 5, so you get 0 equals 2. And then over here you would add 5, and then you get, add the x, you get 2x equals 8, divide 2, x equals 4. Now, with no solutions, the difference between solving for no solutions, all solutions, and a different solution is that no solutions will have an and because it's less than. Since it's and, it has to be both. Both have to be working at the same time, and since there's no x value that's greater than 4 and less than -6 at the same time, there is no solution. All solutions works because you use either equation at different times. So you can use -42 at one time, and another time use 62. With a solution different from A and B, it works because you have an equal sign to 4. So, and if you plug in 4, you get -1, that's absolute value is 1, and then 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 equals 1. Now, important concepts behind no solutions is that that the absolute value is less than -5. Since the absolute value will always make this value right here positive, it can never be less than a negative number. Important concepts for all solutions is that it's the absolute value is greater than a negative number, and since this will always be positive, it will always be greater than a negative number no matter what number you put in there. Important concepts for solving for an equation equal to a linear expression is that it is equal to. Since it's equal to, this is the only number that will work. 4 is, you get 1 is equal to 1.